If you would like to highlight or draw emphasis to any particular portion of a chart, you've got 4 different tools: rectangle, oval, rectangle with text, and oval with text. And these are used just like any other drawn object. You choose the tool you want, then you click, drag, and click again to release. And that puts on that chart that particular object. And by right-clicking that, you can alter its color, its style, you can delete it, and so forth. And of course, mousing over any drawn object gives you the information about that in terms of its location. By going to the Change Style dialog box, you can alter the opacity of the weight and the fill color. You can change the fill color to any of many thousands of choices. And if you have a particular combination of parameters that you want to preserve to save yourself time, you can save that as the default style for that particular object. You can delete it by right-clicking it and choosing Delete. Here is the other shape, the oval, and because it is the non-text one, it does not ask you for text, but you can still go in there later if you choose and add text to it. There's nothing about those two non-text objects that forecloses you from adding text. And when there is text, you can mouse over the object and it'll show you what that text is. This is a space saver on the chart because you don't want a chart cluttered with text. Instead, you can simply point to the object and see what the deeper information is. Here, we've drawn a couple of highlights. We've drawn a rectangle at the bottom of the Great Depression, and the default Make Note Public is checked. If you have something that you'd rather keep personal, like, bought 5,000 shares here, or something you'd rather not disclose, you can uncheck that box. That'll make it a private message. Here we're adding one more text object. And as you can see, you can augment the chart with as many notes as you like.